स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
This is an appeal filed by the appellant insurance company challenging the award dated 13/2/2020 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Gurugram in bracket for short the tribunal bracket out, whereby the amount of rupees 71,18,000 has been awarded as compensation on account of death of Hari Ram Samaria in a motor accident involving the vehicle insured by the appellant insurance company full stop para. The brief facts as mentioned in the award passed by the tribunal are that on 15/6/2018 Hari Ram Samaria was going to Bikaner along with his friends in their Swift car bearing registration number RJ 14VC 2126 full stop at about 1 a.m. when they had travelled around 7 kilometers ahead of Shri Dungargarh. Then a canter bearing registration number RJ 23GB 4788 of Ashoka Leland make being driven by respondent number 6 driver in a rash and negligent manner came from the opposite side and hit the car, due to which Hari Ram Samaria suffered injuries to which he succumbed full stop. On account of this accident, FIR number 135 dated 17/6/2018 was registered at police station Shri Dungargarh, district Bikaner, Rajasthan under sections 279 and 304A of IPC full stop. With these assertions, the claimants, who are widow, minor children and the mother of deceased Hari Ram Samaria, filed the claim petition before the tribunal asserting further therein that the deceased was earning about rupees 5.5 lakh per annum full stop. He was 42 years of age full stop. Hence a compensation of rupees 80 lakh was claimed in the claim petition full stop para. On being put to notice respondent numbers 6 and 7 herein, the driver and the owner of the offending vehicle did not respond full stop. Hence they were proceeded against ex parte full stop. The appellant insurance company put in appearance and defended the matter full stop. Besides taking preliminary objections, involvement of the alleged offending vehicle in the accident was denied full stop. It was further pleaded that the vehicle was being driven in breach of terms and conditions of the insurance policy full stop. The valid route permit and the fitness certificate qua the vehicle were not available at the relevant time full stop. The vehicle has been falsely implanted in the case full stop para. To substantiate their case, the claimants examined the eyewitness of the accident and produced the income proof of the deceased in the form of income tax return for the year immediately preceding the date of accident full stop. On the other hand, the insurance company did not examine any witness full stop. No other evidence was led by the insurance company to substantiate their pleadings as asserted in the written statement full stop. However, the documents exhibit R1 to R4 were placed on record qua insurance policy etc full stop para appreciating the pleadings and the evidence led by the parties, the tribunal has awarded an amount of rupees 71,18,000 as compensation full stop. The income of the deceased has been assessed as per the ITR of the deceased full stop para. The age of the deceased has been taken at 42 years full stop. Accordingly, keeping in view the age of the deceased, the multiplier of 14 has been applied and the benefits on account of future prospects at the rate of 25% have been awarded full stop para. Arguing the case on behalf of the appellant, learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the tribunal has gone wrong in law in assuming the income of the deceased as per the ITR full stop. It is the ITR only for 1 year which has been placed on record full stop over.
तो दोस्तों ये आपका सीनियर स्केल के लिए डिक्टेशन हो गया है। इसमें गुरुग्राम आया है तो केयर केयर एक के ऊपर एक बना दीजिए गुरुग्राम के लिए और डबल डैश, और ना समझ में आया तो एम बना दीजिएगा, ठीक है। और बीकानेर बनेगा थ्रो द लाइन बी के और उसमें एन आर मतलब नर, एन में आर का हुक, ठीक है। हरिराम समरिया है तो हरिराम के लिए हरि तो आप जानते ही एच की डबलिंग अपवर्ड, ई की वॉवल और राम अलग से बनाकर समरिया भी फिर आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा। राम में ही एक सर्किल लगा के फिर एक एम बना के आर अपवर्ड ईया की वॉवल, तो समरिया हो जाएगा। ईया की वॉवल समझ रहे होंगे ना, डाइफोन। और डूंगरगढ़ के लिए थ्रो द लाइन डी बनाइए, एन की डबलिंग करिए और उसमें गे आर, ठीक है, गे में आर का हुक जोड़ दीजिए, डूंगरगढ़। और कैंटर तो आप लोग को आता ही है, पता है ही बनाना। अशोक लीलैंड, अशोक बनाकर उसी में एक एल और फिर एक लैंड भी बना दीजिए, ठीक है। एस एच के एल अपवर्ड एल, फिर उसी में अपवर्ड हाफ एल, एन का हुक लैंड, ले लैंड, अशोक लीलैंड, ठीक है। और इसमें कुछ है और इसमें कुछ नहीं है। तो चलिए इसको लीजिए और बताइए कैसा। और ITR को का इंग्लिश लिखने से अच्छा इसको शॉर्ट हैंड में आउटलाइन बनाइए, आई की वॉवल फिर टी उसी के साथ जोड़कर डाउनवर्ड आर, ठीक है, डबल डैश ITR। तो चलिए फिर चलते हैं, मिलेंगे अगली डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय। आप लाइक शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। इतनी जल्दी बोलते हैं सब गड़बड़ा जाता है। मिलेंगे फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच।